Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a cooking video. This is a different type of video that I'm doing on my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make a vegetarian style Chinese food. Also, this vegetarian style dish is meat free, so everything that I'm using is meat free. This is really good for a meat substitute. Also, if you miss eating Chinese food, this dish is like a really good replacement for like the real thing, but it tastes like the real thing. Like, you cannot tell me this is not real Chinese food. Like, it tastes so good. So let's get right into the tutorial. So first I'm going to start off by using this brand called Gardein. This is the Mandarin orange crispy chicken. I'm not going to be using the sauce that comes with this crispy chicken package. So this is basically the main ingredient. This is like a soy-based meat substitute. And basically I'm just going to be using this as like the meat substitute that's going to be acting as the chicken for this dish. So this is what it looks like. Also, I'm using the Uncle Ben's ready rice, which is the basmati rice. You can use a different type of rice, but I love basmati rice, so I'm going to use this. So I also have some frozen broccoli. I don't really eat broccoli that much, but I figured, you know, since this is like Chinese food, I'm just going to add broccoli. So I'm using a frozen broccoli. So next I added some vegetable oil to my pan. This is like a cast iron skillet pan. I added a little bit of vegetable oil. You don't need as much. It's not like we're frying chicken. So you just need a little bit of oil. To start off the chicken, I placed it into the microwave just so that it can defrost a little bit, because these crispy chicken pieces were in the freezer, so they're frozen. So to defrost them a little bit, I just put them in the microwave for like about 2 minutes. So this is just me waiting for the oil to heat up a little bit. I put the temperature on medium, but you don't need to have it up that high, because it's not like we're cooking actual meat. You just need like a little bit of oil just to brown the crispy chicken pieces.
A few inches later.
So I placed the crispy chicken pieces into the oil, and so now I'm just waiting for them to brown up a little bit. So you want to make sure the pieces are like really golden brown. So right here they actually look like real chicken nuggets. So you just want to make sure you get that like golden brown crispy look to them. So these are the little crispy chicken pieces. They're really nice and golden brown. So I just put them into like a little paper towel just to drain out the oil from these little pieces. For the fried rice, I just added about a tablespoon of butter to this frying pan just to start off the fried rice. So next I'm going to take my Uncle Ben's ready rice. This is the basmati rice that I'm going to be using. You can use like a regular rice if you want to, but I like the basmati rice. So all I did was just take the basmati rice and just added it into the frying pan with the butter. Next, I added in a packet of soy sauce to the rice just for flavor. I didn't add in any salt because the soy sauce is already salty, so I just added that in to the rice, and then I added in the frozen broccoli to the rice. So if you want to, you can add in an egg for like a egg fried rice if you wanted to. I was going to do that right here, but then I decided not to, since this is like a vegetarian style Chinese food dish. So I didn't add in the egg. For this dish, I'm going to use the sweet and sour sauce. You can actually use another type of Chinese food sauce if you want to, but today I'm just going to use the sweet and sour sauce. So first I'm just going to add this sauce into a bowl. And then I'm going to pop it into the microwave for like about 2 minutes just to let it heat up a little bit before I add my chicken into the sauce, because I want my little crispy chicken pieces to still be like kind of crispy. I don't want them to get soggy in the sauce. So this is me just tossing the little crispy chicken pieces into the sauce. So I'm just making sure everything is coated really nice. Me personally, I don't like a lot of sauce on my food, so I just put just enough to coat each piece of the little crispy chicken pieces. Okay, so this is the finished product. This is the vegetarian style Chinese food. I guess you can call it sweet and sour chicken, but this stuff right here is so good if you're a vegetarian and you're missing out on Chinese food. Like if you're missing eating Chinese food, you should definitely make this. Like you cannot tell me this is not Chinese food. It tastes just like it. So if you would like to see more videos like this on my channel, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I post new content. Also, make sure you go and follow me on Instagram at zenoallenbeauty. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.